We're going without you. Without us, Holly. We'll get to go next time. Here, put this on so they know you're ready to go. Oh, thanks. How old are you?
2. I'm 4.
You're 4?
You're 4? Awesome.
You're twice as old as she is.
My husband.
She's almost 2.
I got it, Mama. I got it. Mommy, go. Where Mommy go?
She's up there.
You look so funny in your Scooby gear. Hi, Dad.
Go.
Is that cold? Kind of cold, isn't it?
You're gonna sit down?